Hi everyone! I hope you're all doing great. Today I'm coming to you with an unboxing, not unwrapping, and a coat video. And we have here coats at various price points. So we are going to start with MaxMara, a coat that I have had on my mind for more than 10 years, and this is not even an exaggeration. I would say even 12 years or so. Why? I will tell you all about it, and I will also tell you what I love about each coat, which size I got, why. Most importantly, I think, when I'm going to wear them, at what temperature, for what occasions. Now, granted, most of these coats and my style in general, I would say I love when casual meets smart meets elegant. So that's why most of these coats are suitable for any occasion, I would say. Most occasions, let's put it this way. I think it's better to have more room here, right? So I would like to start with this one, but maybe before I do that, I tell you that everything you see in this video is linked down below, and I will also make sure to include all the sizes I have picked up. Now, normally I wear size S 36 and I am 170 centimeter tall. But when it comes to coats, I normally size up. So let us just get started. But before that, sorry, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. If you love anything fashion related, I think you will find videos on my channel that you could like. And yes, I love fashion, high-end, but also high street, but good quality high street fashion. So first, let us open this baby and see what is in there. Oh, I can't. 12 years. It took me almost 12 years to get this coat. By the way, this is the duster or dust bag that it came in. The name of the coat is 801 AK Madame coat. And this is the most classic and iconic coat from MaxMara. Actually, MaxMara has got 3 iconic coats. They used to have 2, Manuela and Madame, but now they also included the Teddy coat to their iconic or classic range of coats. The reason why it took me so long is because of the color. I tried all their colors, and I have actually a video on MaxMara coats. I will link it up here. If you are in the hand for a MaxMara coat, please watch that video. In that video, I compared this coat with the Teddy coat. So if you are thinking of getting any of these coats, that video could be helpful to you. So why took me so long? The color. I tried this coat in many different colors, and all colors are beautiful. Love them all. But this is truly my color. I love this color. I have purchased many items in this color in the past, and I know myself. I know that this is a color that I wear again and again. But they don't have this color in their classic range. At least on their website you can't see this color. So when I saw this color, I had to jump on it, and this coat is the reason why I sent that puzzle bag. If you are new to my channel, you may not know, but I had a puzzle bag and I really liked it, but I decided to send it back because I wanted to spend the money towards this coat. And yes, this is, I love this color so much. And I mean, the camel is very beautiful as well, and it was on my list, but the shade is too light for my lifestyle. It is, I mean, I don't need to tell you that the color is not sensitive to stain. So as for sizing, I went for a size European 38 or German 38, which is Italian 42 and US 8. I have tried this coat in various sizes, and I found that 38 is the best. I always refer to European sizes, and 38 is the best size for me. I also tried it one size up, which is 40, and that one was just too big on me, on the shoulders and everywhere. It was just huge, and you know, I wanted something that is classic, timeless, and a piece that I can wear for many years to come. You know, basically, you can bury me in this coat, mainly, yeah. And I think for that reason I made the right decision. So this, but I don't want to be buried in this coat. I want to hand it down. But yeah, but you know what I mean. I wanted to have something that I don't get tired of, if that makes sense. There are so many beautiful coats out there. There are so many beautiful coats out there, and I am a coat person. I'm addicted to coats, though I don't have many, but I am. I am always trying new coats and new styles. But you know, this coat has been on my mind for the past 10-12 years. I mean, this means something. This says something, right? It's always nerve-wracking to, you know, do this, but boom! This coat is not going back. I love it so much. This coat looks from the inside. Just you have the beautiful lining inside. You have a loop here where you can hang your belt if you don't want to wear it, and you have a loop here as well, so you can hang it there or here. Then you don't have any slits, and the way I love wearing this coat is actually as it is, you know, like very casual. I love, as I mentioned before, marrying casual with smart. Oh, this one would look so good with my... let me just get it. I have a few things that I want to try with this coat. I have two shawls or scarves. Good with this. It's exactly the same gray, but it would also work because it is reversible on the other side with black. So I am now all in grey. I love just the tone in tone look. I think yeah, it's not exactly the same color, but it does work. Oh, a ceiling cap. I'm so excited for winter to come, and I get this coat out and wear and actually start wearing it. I think I will start wearing this coat at around 5 degrees. Just a quick note on composition. This one contains 90% virgin wool and 10% cashmere, and yes, it is in this beautiful grey. So I will make sure to link this particular color down below for you, and also the camel one is very beautiful. But if you have watched my video, my MaxMara video, you will have seen that I was contemplating between camel and black, but I ended up not going for black because of this coat. I got this coat from, oh gosh, all the hair. Do you see the hair? I hope not. I need to get rid of all this hair. Yes, this is the reason, because black, you know, attracts all the hair and all the fluff. It makes a garment looking cheap immediately, regardless of price, and I didn't want it, you know, to happen with my MaxMara coat. So that's the reason why I didn't go with black, and I found this one, which I love. This is by And Other Stories, by the way. And another thing is, black coats are easier to find than grey coats or camel coats when it comes to good quality coats. This one I absolutely love. This one is also very warm. I think this one is 100% wool. I'm not sure about that. Now, I also have a video on this coat. I will link it up here in the cards or in the description box below if you want to see this coat compared with a coat by COS. which is very similar to this one, and I will link them. I will see if they are still available. I will link them down below for you. So you will see they are very, very similar. And this one is very long. Is it longer than my MaxMara coat? It's so heavy. No, it's about the same. They are both the same length, which I love because I love a long coat. And yes, even though long coats are not very practical when it comes to motherhood, if you have kids, you know what I mean. And then the next coat I like to show you is this one. This one, it has been such a great purchase. And this coat, by the way, is a coat that is warm but can be worn in fall as well. So I have already worn this coat. In fact, yesterday I was in this coat, and with just a t-shirt, a short sleeve t-shirt with my Frankie shop t-shirt and this one over it. It was just fine. So it kept me warm without sweating, and it's just such a beautiful cut. I absolutely adore the cut of this one, and I'm so pleased with the quality and the texture, and the color goes with all of my items, and it makes life easier. You know, if you go with colors that work with your wardrobe, that makes getting ready such a fun and just quick, you know. And yes, this is how this one looks. I didn't mention the sizing of this one. This one is size 38, and this one is in size 40, I think. Is it 40? Yes, this is size 40, and normally size 36 would be my perfect fit. But this one I really wanted it to be oversized, and I'm really pleased with the sizing and how this one looks exactly as I wanted it. So next we have this one. It's very old, and it is from Zara. In fact, I think this is my last purchase from Zara. I haven't been buying anything from Zara, I would say, for the last 2 years. I'm not sure, but around 2 years. And yes, this one is good. This is a puffer jacket with a down feeling. This is a good one, but it's not as warm as I wanted it to be. The thing I love about this jacket is this hoodie. At some point I really want to invest in a down jacket or coat. But for me, I found it really difficult to find one that I love. I don't like those which are very figure hugging. I like more oversized and, you know, boxy shapes. So next I have a shearling coat. This is by Massimo Dutti. Yes, this is by Massimo Dutti. This one is reversible, can be worn like this. It's very heavy. Very heavy. I bought this one on sale, but can you guess why I bought this one? Because I really wanted to have the teddy coat. It didn't fill the gap. It didn't fill the gap at all. You see, this is the reason why you should also go for your first choice and not trying to fill the gap with other things, because you end up spending more money. Next one is a trench coat. I have a dedicated trench coat video which I will link up here. Why I have included this trench coat into this video is because I do wear this trench coat during the winter months as well. Because of its oversized style, it allows me to wear chunky knits underneath, and it makes it possible for me basically to wear it during the colder months as well. And yes, I love this one a lot. I love the color of this one, and every time I wear this coat I get questions where it is from. And yes, it is from And Other Stories. They have an updated version of this one which I will link down below. Looks pretty much the same, but of course I haven't had it in my hands. I don't know for sure if it's really the same, but the colors are different. I really hope I didn't forget anything. If you have any questions about these coats or winter coats in general, please let me know in the comment section below. And yes, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumb up, and I will see you soon on my next one. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.